This is absolutely the easiest business online today. Why do I say that? Every 88 days, ROI 192, and that's 192.8, and that varies a little bit, but typically this day 2-1 of this project, it's been around 200%. So let's jump right in. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Welcome to Torus.win. You can see right up here, Torus.win. Enter the DApp, connect your wallet. So let's connect our wallet. And I've been using MetaMask for quite a long time. The options there if you don't like MetaMask. Let's connect our wallet, and I'm going to show you exactly. This is all I do. This is so easy. Once every 88 days, I go in here and collect. Okay. And the value of this token, you can see, is 3 cents. But here's all I do. You can either create or stake, and the staking is a lot more valuable at this point. So all you do is you create an active stake up to 88 days. The biggest bang for your buck is when you go 88 days. And you can see right here, I staked 48,000 Torus. That's the return. You add those two together, that'll be the total. And there's 4 days left on this stake. And then you'll collect, it'll be close to 200,000 Torus. And then you can do what you want to with it. You can restake it, you can cash it out, whatever you want to do with it. It's simple, it's easy. You can convert it to USDC, you can convert it to whatever crypto you like. But all you do is stake it, and you can watch it if you want to so often and harvest my tokens. And you can do what you want to with them right there. 192.8%. Currently, this is not financial advice. Do what you want to. You can see the entire TitanX Torus projects listed on TitanXHub.com. I'll show you that real quick. TitanXHub.com. And this is built on the Ethereum blockchain. You can see them right there. And you can see Torus is listed right here, number 8. And 261 days currently. Now, if you want to know how to do this, if you're new to crypto and you just want something you can just not have to babysit, then come right over here. I've got a course right here, our Chris.com DeFi course, 7 modules. Put in your name and email. It's going to send you over here. It's a 7 module, 97. You're right over here. Shows you exactly how to do it. And you can see the modules right there. It's a video course, $9. Once, use it forever. If you have any questions about that, just reach out, Chris at rchris4.com. Till next time, bye for now.